Now that you've seen a video on how fossils are made, together you and your partner are going to make a model of how fossils are made. At your table, you will see some shells, a tan or beige piece of paper, a blue piece of paper, and at least 5 blocks. Each of these materials is going to be one part of how fossils are made. So, first we need to find something to build our mountain. I wonder what we should use to build our mountain. I'm going to try the blocks. Here is my mountain. Now I have something for a beach and something for an ocean. Which one should be the beach and which one should be the ocean? I think I'll try the blue one for the beach, blue beach, and the tan one for the ocean. What do you think about that? Okay, I'll try the tan one for the beach and the blue one for the ocean. Now, should I build my shells? Should I put my shells in the mountains, the beach, or the ocean? I think I'm going to put them right on the edge of the beach, right next to the ocean. Because I think the animals that live in the shells prefer to live in the ocean, but sometimes maybe they live close to the beach. So now I'm ready to make my model of how fossils are made. Wind and rain and snow wash the mountain down and cover up the fossils. That is how fossils are made. Your job is to make the model of how fossils are made and show your model to one of your teachers. After you've made your model of how fossils are made, your teacher will give you a piece of clay. Notice this piece of clay is a little bit long and it's a little bit round. Do not mash your clay. Just leave it in the shape that it's in. After you have the clay, we're going to take this clay and make a model fossil. First, take your widest shell. Which one of these is wider? You're right, this one is wider. Put your thumb on the inside of the shell. So the ridges are on the outside. And press your shell right into the clay until it stays there. Then take one of your narrow shells and if your teacher says it's okay, take another narrow shell. When you have all of your shells pressed into the clay, raise your hand and ask your teacher to write your name on the back of the clay. After your teacher puts your name on the back of the clay, ask your teacher if you can put the clay on the tray where it can dry. This is the drying tray.